We're going to now get into the second part of our session today, and we'll wait for that. May I call on Advocate Hina Shaheen to do a reading of Article 51A, the article that talks about the fundamental duties of every citizen.
Thank you, Aubrey. Good evening, everyone. So this part 4A, Article 51A, talks about fundamental duties. It says, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities. Very important. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to value, preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to develop scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and abjure any kind of violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity, so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Last but not the least, who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, born between the age of 6 and 14 years.
Thank you so very much, As I said, when I was reading the Constitution, studying it, and this article stood out for me because it brought back memories when I was 7 with the Jan Gan Man in the very first clause. But then I believe, and this I believe very strongly, that if every child in school, every boy understood what it means, dignity of women, okay? Every girl and boy understood everything else that's written here. I think we will be the next generation has a great future. And that is a responsibility that we carry together. When we take the pledge, that's the responsibility I believe we need to carry together. To raise a generation that will understand the fundamental duties of every citizen, therefore Article 51A.